Introduction. Hello everyone. Today, we are going to talk about the highly anticipated smartphone release of 2023, the OnePlus 11. OnePlus is known for its flagship killer smartphones, offering top-notch features at an affordable price point. With the OnePlus 11, the company has once again exceeded expectations and raised the bar for smartphones in the market. Design and display. The OnePlus 11 boasts a sleek and elegant design, with a 6.7-inch QHD AMOLED display that offers stunning visuals in vibrant colors. The display also features a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support, providing an incredibly smooth and immersive viewing experience. The phone's back is made of Gorilla Glass 7, making it resistant to scratches and cracks. Camera. The OnePlus 11 features a triple camera setup on the back, consisting of a 108 megapixels primary sensor, a 16 megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 12 megapixels telephoto lens. The camera system also features 5x hybrid zoom, OIS, IS, and 4K video recording capabilities at 60 fps. The front camera is a 32 megapixel sensor, which takes stunning selfies and supports 1080p video recording. Performance and battery. The OnePlus 11 is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, making it incredibly fast and efficient. The phone comes in two storage options, 128GB and 256GB, with 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM. The battery life is excellent, with a 5000 mAh battery that supports 65W wired fast charging and 45W wireless charging. Software and features. The OnePlus 11 runs on OxygenOS 12, based on Android 13, offering a clean and customizable user interface. The phone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor, face recognition, 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, and stereo speakers. The phone also comes with IP68 water and dust resistance, making it durable and reliable. Conclusion. The OnePlus 11 is a flagship smartphone that offers an exceptional user experience in every aspect. It's a perfect combination of design, performance, and features, making it a highly desirable smartphone in the market. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line smartphone that doesn't break the bank, the OnePlus 11 is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching, and I hope this review helped you make an informed decision.